channel with another session, finger counting part 3. Happy New Year!
Hand is representing from 0 to 9. That means if I close all my fingers of the right hand, this is representing 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And my left hand is representing tens place. So this one representing ones place and this one left hand is representing tens place. That means 10, 20 and this all finger value is 10, 10. Each 10, 10 value. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay. If I open all my fingers of my left hand, it is, what is the value? 90. This is 9 and this is 90. So 8 plus 3. If I count from the 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8. Then 3. 1. After counting, I can close all the fingers, and if I close all the fingers, I can use my left hand. Okay. So this is 1. I don't have any fingers, right? So this is 1, 2. Again I can start from counting from this finger. So what is that? This is value I know. 10. This is left hand 10 and this is 1. That means 11. So 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Again 7 plus 9. How I count? 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is number 9 and 7. Can I count this one again? No, because I already raised my all fingers. So after 9 I have to count 7. I close this one then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is that? 5, 16. That means 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. Again 9 plus 9. I know if I raise all my fingers of my right hand, this is representing number 9. So this is 9 plus 9. I don't have any fingers here, so I can use my left finger. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I like this, if I open, how this is? 18. So 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. Again 11 plus 3. See, 1, 2, 3. 3 sums are 1 digit, 1 place. And this is again 11 plus 3. This is 1's place and 1 is this from right side. You have to write from right side to left side. Right side is 1's place and after that 10's place, because this is the 2 digit numbers. Okay, so 11 plus 3. How I calculate? This is 10. I can use from the left hand because 10's place is representing my left hand. This is 1, 10. See what? In the number 11, how many fatsmans are sitting there? 10 fatmen. That means one block consisting the
One column, 10 separate blocks are there. That is called
10's place. So 11, this is 10, this is 11. So this is 11, then 3. I have to raise my 3 finger. 1, 2, 3. So how many this is? 14. 11 plus 3 is equal to 14. 7 plus 2. Then 7 again 1 digit number. 7, 5, 6, 7 you know. 7 plus 2. How many fingers I raise? 9. What is the value? Yes, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9.
Look, see, I made 7, then I made 1.
13 plus 6. 13. 13 plus 6. 13, how I calculate 13? Again, this is 1's place. This is 1 place. This is 10 place. So, how I calculate the 13? This is 10. 10 and 3. This is 13, right? Again, I have to calculate 6. So, this is 13. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the value? 19. So, 13 plus 6 is equal to 19. Again, 11 plus 4. 11 plus 4. How? You can show me 11. Left hand is representing 10. Again, 10 fatmans is sitting in one block. This is called 10's place, right? This is 10's place. So, this is 1, 1, 11. Again, I have to raise my 4 finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers? What is the value of my thumb? 15. This is 10 and this is 5. So, 11 plus 4 is equal to 15. Again, 14 plus 3. 14 also is a 2-digit number. 1's place, 10's place, 14. How you calculate? 1, this is 1 and this is 4. This is 14. Again plus 3. How I calculate? This is 14. How I calculate? How many fingers remaining? This is this one remaining. So if I you know that if I raise my thumb, I have to close this one, right? You know this one. So 14, how? This is the 14, eh? 3. 1, 2, 3. So what is the value? What is the value? 5, 6, 7. 17.
17.
That means 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. Then again, 12 plus 8. How you calculate 12? This is left hand, this is 10, this is 12. 12. After that, 12 plus 8. How I calculate 8? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right?
Yes.
Listen, again I am telling you. 12.
One,
This
two,
is
three.
12 plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is no other finger. So I have to close and I have to raise my this one. So if I raise my another finger of my left hand, what is representing? Tell me. This is 20.
20.
Because this is each finger representing 10. So 10, 20. Again I am
10,
telling
20.
you 12. This is 10, 12. Again plus 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No finger. 7, 8. So 12 plus 8 is equal to 20.
I know numbers. So cool. Beautiful.
Then 11 plus 7. 10. This is 11. 7. How you calculate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is that? What is that?
18.
What is that? 18. 11 plus 7 is equal to 18.
18.
Then 13 plus 4. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are 2-digit numbers. So 1's place, 10's place. Again 13 plus 4. 13, this is 10, this is 13, right? Again 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is that? What is the value? 17.
17. Wow, so beautiful. So
13 plus 4 is equal to 17. Number 5 plus 5. 5 I know this one. Again I have to count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5.
5.
Again I am telling you 5. I know the thumb is representing 5. So direct I am calculating this is 5. Again I have to count another 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no more finger. So I have to close this one. And this left hand, this is representing number 10.
10.
Okay, 6 plus 6. 6. You know this is the 6. So again I have to count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the value of the numbers? This is 10 and this is 2. That means 6 plus 6 is equal to
30.
12.
12.
Again I am telling 6. 5, 6. This is, you know, the thumb, and this one, if I raise my thumb and this finger, it is called 6. So again I have to count 6. 1, 2, 3. There is no more finger. So 5, 6. What is that? Sorry. 6 plus 6 again. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the 12. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Again 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 and I have to calculate 5. So I close my this finger and this is 5. This is no, not like this. 4 plus 5. How you calculate? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. Then again I have to calculate number 5. So if I open this one, I can again count this finger. You know that one, right? So this finger is 5, but I can't directly up this finger and I can't count. This is 5. No, not like this. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again I have to close this one and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now what is the number? If I raise my all fingers of my right hand, what is number representing? Number 9. So 4 plus 5 is equal to number 9. 5 plus 0. This is 0. This is 5. This is 5, right? And plus 0. Plus 0. So, if I raise any fingers, no. So, 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5. This is 10. This is 12. 12 plus 5. Again, I have to count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, what is that? What is that? No. 12 plus 5. This is 10. This is 12. 12 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is there?
17.
17.
Again
17. 12 plus 5 is equal to 17.
All numbers are so cool.
7 plus 7. 5, 6, 7. Okay, again I have to count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the value of my fingers?
14.
Yes. 7
14.
plus 7 is equal to 14. 15 plus 3. 15. This is 10. This is 5. Okay. This is 5. 15 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. So 15 plus 3 is equal to
18.
yes. 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. So hope you understand my today's video. 9 plus here 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 tell me 9 plus 1 9. This is 9 and plus 1. If I close this one, then I can raise my one finger of my left hand. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So hope you like this one digit and two digit finger math. Now I will show you how to calculate the subtraction with the use of your fingers.
Hello kids, so hope you understand my today's video what is regarding addition, finger counting. I have already discussed you. So now again I will discuss you about the subtraction. You know how I will do the subtraction, the same process, but in the case of addition, let me tell you once again, this is left hand is representing tens place and right hand is representing ones place. So in the case of addition, we will count from left side to right side. But in the case of subtraction, we have to count from right side to left side. So how we will count? Let me give you some of the numbers. Then I will tell you. See, here is my board. In my board, first number is 8 minus 1. So how I count 8 minus 1? You know how I will count 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the 8 minus 1. So minus 1, that means in the case of subtraction, I have to close my fingers. In the addition, I have to shoot up my fingers, and in the case of subtraction, I have to close my fingers. So 8 minus 1 means from left side to, I told you, from right side to left side. So here this finger, if I close these fingers, what is the value of this? What is the value? 5, 6, 7. That means 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Next one is 3 minus 2. Next one is 3 minus 2. How I count? 3. 3. You know this is the 3. See? Minus 2. That means from the right side to left side, I have to close 2 fingers. 1, 2. How many fingers remaining? 1. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Again 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6. How I count 8? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8. 8 minus 6. Listen carefully. Minus 6. So I have to close my fingers. You know, I know this is the value, say 5. So if I close this one, and I have to close from this side, because I told you when I am doing the subtraction, I have to close my fingers from the right side to left side. So if I close this one, how many fingers remaining? 2. Again I am telling you 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 8. So 8 minus 6. I know the thumb value is 5. So if I close this one, 5, then one more remaining to be 6. So I close this one. How many fingers remaining? 2. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Again is, so 8 minus 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Next one is 9 minus. So next one is 9 minus 4. This is my right hand. So 9 minus, this is, if I shoot up all my fingers of my right hand, this is representing number 9. I have to take out 4 from 9. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only this is remaining. Then this value, thumb value is 5. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Then next one is 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. Minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many remaining? 3. Again I am telling you, 9 minus 6. This is 9. Again I have to take 6 from 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many remaining? 3. That means 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Again, last one is 8 minus 4. Sorry. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8 minus 4. How I count minus 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this? No. Last one is 8 minus 4. How I will count 8 minus 4? You know 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 8. Now I can't open this one because I have to close my fingers for in the case of subtraction. So 4 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many fingers are there? 4. Again I am telling you 8. This is 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So what is the result? 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So hope you understand my today's video. If you have any questions or queries, definitely you tell me in my comment section so that I will make more worksheets for you regarding the finger counting. Now today's just introduction of the subtraction. Again next day I will come along with the subtraction 1 digit and definitely 2 digits number. So it is easy for you to make you understand that how you will use your fingers to do the addition and subtraction. So till then, good day, goodbye, stay safe. If you like my video, please give thumbs up and give your valuable comments in my comment section. Till then, good day, goodbye. Thank you. Thanks for watching.